Hey there, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a sword holder. It's actually a sword belt. All right, let's get this party popping. So you're going to go ahead and take your 260 and you're going to inflate it all the way, okay? All the way. Again, if this is for an adult, you need to stretch it, okay? Since I have no kids here with me today. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, I will use myself to demonstrate. So you have inflated it all the way. Now you made it a little soft, so you should have a little tiny bit of a tail down here because you're gonna have to tie it. But when you tie it, you have to tie it onto the suspect. In this case, it's gonna be me today. So you're gonna just simply tie the two ends together. Okay. And the side that you have tied is going to be what goes up against their body. You're going to take and pull it all the way to one side. And so you should have something like this. And you're going to simply pinch it and twist it. That's it. Then what you might want to do is go back through. Make sure it's locked. And now you can go ahead and place your sword. Place your sword into the holder. All right. Add a balloon helmet to this, and oh my goodness, kids have adventurous play. All right, thanks for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.